Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. I'm standing under, I should emphasize under, a dahlia. This is the tree dahlia. It's actually a small tree dahlia because the ones I've known for years are half again as tall. But anyhow, it's making a decent effort at being a tree dahlia. The tree dahlia is a species separate of the common dahlias. It's Dahlia imperialis. Somebody thought really high of it when they named it imperial. And Dahlia is named after somebody with the family name of Dahl, D-A-H-L. And it's a Mexican species. It doesn't bloom until the middle of fall. So when frosts are late, we get to enjoy the flowers. And this is a cultivar called Double or Nothing. The wild type look more like a cosmos flower, but in the Double or Nothing, the center of the flower starts to develop petaloids, petals as the flower ages. You can see this flower is just starting to bloom, and the center is sort of very modest, and then it gets bigger and bigger petals produced in the center of the flower. This is a real typical color for the species. Also, I've seen it in white. But again, if you picture, this is more like the wild type flower, but if you just made this yellow disc sort of like a zinnia flower, that's what you would see. And the wild type also puts out of inflorescence the flower stalk sort of almost horizontal. So the flowers are pendant, so you look up into them. It's like it knew that those who would be admiring it were going to be under the plant and needed to look up at the flowers. But it's a fun thing. If frosts are early, if they come in October, we don't see it, but nowadays, most falls, we do get a good bloom display out of it. It's winter hardy in our climate. We don't get much frost in the ground, and so the plant dies to the ground come winter, but then it returns each spring. So the tree dahlia is a fun thing to have for the fall garden. Thank you very much for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.